My daughter, you cannot go back to the palace. If you have a soul, save what is left of it. You can never remain the same once you take a life.
He deserved to pay for hurting me, Mother. I can't stop now. I have gone too far into it. Too far to stop now.
Samira, your life is in danger. If the queen discovers that you have been killing his son, there is no saving you. Do you want to die fighting for this vengeance?
Mother, I am not going to back off. Prince Sado will pay for everything that he has ever done to me. Everything. Like I said, Mother, I am too deep into this. I can't stop now. I must see to the end of it.
Samira, my daughter, I will be leaving soon, and Donell will be all alone. I need you to stay alive and be beside him.
Mother, you're leaving to where? You're not going anywhere. Stop.
You are the only one that loves my son the way that pleases me. I see you like a sister and a wife. Donell needs a family when I'm gone, and that's who you should be. Please, leave this fight. Leave it.
Mother, please. You have to stay positive. And you have to fight this illness that wants to take you to your early grave. Please, be strong for me, for us. Please.
I'm trying. I'm trying. But we have to prepare for the worst. I wish I made him marry early. I would have had my grandchildren beside me now.
Mother, it is not still late. It is not. You will still carry your grandchildren. Okay? You're disturbing yourself. You're just disturbing yourself over nothing. Please, calm down.
Tomorrow,
Your Majesty.
did you see the maiden? The one that is taking care of my son?
No, Your Majesty. She has not returned to the palace.
Do you think she ran away? Is this something I should worry about?
Today is her off day, Your Majesty. So I'm sure she must have gone to see her family. She will return in the morning.
No. Listen, I wouldn't want that girl to return to this palace. Make sure you go after her. Find her and keep her somewhere. I must find out who is backing her up. She dares to tamper with my only son. That can never be.
As you have commanded, Your Majesty, it will be done.
Why not stay? Okay? Stay. I'm very sure your work is done at the palace. Remember, killing wasn't part of the plan.
But controlling him is. Only the herbs controls him. Taking away the herbs destabilizes him. And my attention will be needed in the palace.
See, you've done enough already. You have done enough. Mother needs you. Don't you consider her mother?
Of course I do, and you know that. You both are the only family I have.
Then stay. Stay with us. The palace is no longer safe, and you know that. I cannot be here worrying about my sick mother and also worrying about your safety. Samira!
I can't stay. I need you to understand that. I need to head back to the palace now to prepare the relaxation tea for Prince Sado. else I'll be punished. You need to relax, please. You worry too much, and it's not good for you. Can you at least walk me down now?
My physician,
Yes, Your Majesty.
the smiles on your face signals hope.
Yes, Your Majesty. You are 100% correct. You see, there was food poison that was given to you, and it was circulating throughout your whole system. The whole of your system was circulating. And the antidote I gave to you washed away every poison in your system. My king, I don't know who is doing this, but you have to be very careful from now. I highly recommend that you don't take anything from anybody except the one that was prescribed by me.
Thank you very much, my physician.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I would like you to give me the prescription so I can handle that myself.
I will do that.
I want you to do one thing for me.
What is that?
Please, on no account must anyone in the palace, including my queen, know about this news. Maintain the old story that my health has not improved. Can I trust you?
Cross my heart, Your Majesty.
You cannot leave.
Thank you very much.
The physician said that his condition is getting critical. Yet, he has refused to announce Sado, the crown prince. Can you imagine? I think the best thing is for us to kill him. To remove him out of the way completely and make Sado the king.
You cannot make him the king because of his health condition.
Come on, I need you to think like a politician for once. There is something called regency. I can stand in for him till he's completely okay.
So what plan do you have for the king?
What plan do I have for the king? Give me time to think, please.
Your Majesty, why are you here? You should have summoned me.
Summoned you in this state? You're not yet okay. I will send the palace physician to come and examine you.
And Riz being seen together. Do you think they will not ask the physician where he went or who he gave his services to? We cannot risk that.
I can't afford to lose you. I made a promise to your late husband that I will always be there for you. Seeing you in this state seems to me that I failed.
It's not your fault. You have done more than enough. I'm worried about Donell. He keeps asking questions, and he must ask the wrong person.
My eyes are on him. He's fully protected. My good friend, I want you to concentrate on getting back your health. You know you're the only person I trust. I am being surrendered by a lot of enemies. I want you to be fine for me.
My king, I will be fine. But please, you have to go. Before Donell sees you, please go.
If that is what you want, I will.
Your Majesty.
So when do you intend to tell me?
Tell you what?
That Shadow is sick and needs medical attention. Since you consider me his father, am I not supposed to know his health status?
Sorry, Your Majesty, just that I didn't want to bother you with Shadow's condition because I know you're not feeling too well. Sorry. Sorry, Your Majesty, you'll be fine.
I am the king. I think I'm in the position to know how much it does her status.
You're right. Alright, Your Majesty. Now look at your health condition. You still want me to bring sad news to you. It's okay, lie down properly. Lie down, you'll be fine.
Your Majesty, you cannot be coming and going as you like. I know you are the most powerful man in this kingdom and can do whatever you want. But this puts I and my son in an uncomfortable state.
Okay, what I've come to say cannot wait. Since you refuse my assistance to offer you medical treatment abroad, I don't know how long this can stay.
I'm listening. Say quickly and leave. I cannot explain to Donell when he sees you here.
I think it's high time you allowed him to come over to the palace. I know your worries, I know what you're afraid of. I assure you, you'll be highly protected.
He's not ready yet. I cannot allow my son to be sacrificed like others. I'm still alive and I cannot allow that.
You know you can't keep him away from his destiny. Sooner or later he will face it. The best you can do in this situation is to give him a password. And when he speaks that password, it's only I and him alone can understand that password. And let him come to his rightful place. Oh yes, he will be protected. Like I said, rest assured.
Thank you for not commanding me to bring him to you.
No, come on.
Thank you for understanding the fear of a mother.
No, come on. Why are we friends? I appreciate every of your effort. And then, you know you're the most trusted to me. I'm a great ally. I got your back.
I had the king followed. And we noticed that he is always leaving the palace in disguise.
Where did he go? Did you find out?
Yes, Your Majesty. He visits a sick woman. She has a son, but the king never meets the boy.
He's making his moves. Planning to surprise me. I won't let that happen. Now, how was he even able to move out? Is he getting better?
He looks agile and well from the strides he takes.
Are you serious?
I could look into it if you want. Maybe question the physician.
No. Please. It will make everything look suspicious. I wouldn't want that to happen. Focus your mind on knowing who that sick woman is and the relationship she has with the king.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Are you serious? A sick woman?
No one one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive, amor. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. No go. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Why have you summoned me? Am I in trouble?
Well, it all depends on the answer you'll be giving to me now. Who are you? And why is the king interested in your family?
My name is Donell, the son of late Chief Obi. I have never seen or met the king before.
But your mom met the king. Do you know anything about that?
No, I know absolutely nothing about that. Please, Your Majesty, you will leave me with no option to ask my mom. Then I can give you answers.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. No go. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight.
And what's the meaning of what you're doing? Why are you mimicking me? Do you think it's funny?
Oh, no. This is my nature. I wasn't mimicking you at all. This is just something that happened to me when I'm out of thought. Please, it's just an unconscious part on my own side. I'm really sorry.
You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain. You are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Samira, what are you doing here? I thought you should be at the palace.
I haven't been to the palace for some days now.
Are you in trouble? See, if you feel you're in trouble, then this village is no longer safe for you. Go and find somewhere to stay.
I am in serious trouble. One of the maidens told me that the queen somehow found out about the tea that I gave to his son.
Oh.
And she has been looking for me. That she needs to know what my intentions are. I don't even know what to do.
Samira, I warned you. I warned you about this mission you embarked on. Now look at this. The queen is not someone to joke about. She is a monster. I heard she was behind the killing of the first wife and also the princess. She wasn't able to pay for it because no one can nail her to that crime.
I know, okay? I just couldn't stand looking at Prince Sado. I just had to take my revenge. By the way, why does she want to see you? What is your connection with the palace?
Why is everyone asking me this question? I do not have any idea. No idea at all. Yes, she wants to see me. She asked me about the connection between my mother and the king. I don't know. I've been kept in the dark for so long, like a 3-year-old child. This really saddens me. I don't know. What's going on?
I don't know what to do.
This is trouble, oh.
Your Majesty, anytime the blood is ready, please call me.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
Yes.
His blood type is rare and he needs blood urgently. I've told the physician that we're going to search how we can see his father because I'm sure his blood will match with his own.
Your Majesty, come on now. I told you Sada's father lives in a very far village, far from our own. And the man was a hunter and a drunk as well. I mean, it's impossible for me to get in touch with him. It's been long.
Anyway, I've instructed a physician to do all he can to get a blood that can match with him. Meanwhile, we still need to search for his father.
Come on, Your Majesty. With a heavy reward, some subjects will be willing to donate their blood. Please. Please, there won't be any need for us to go looking for Sado's father. Please.
There is no need calling people to come and donate blood. We will have an option. So there is this father and son relationship. Just get me the details of how I can get the hunter. Sado will not die under my watch. He goes nowhere.
Mama, there is something I want to ask you. It's been disturbing me for so long. Please, I want you to tell me my connection to the palace. Eh? You know you can't continue to keep this secret. Biko.
Bamba. You will know when the time is right. Just focus on learning wisdom and being a great man.
But do you want me to ask the queen? Because she summoned me and I'm curious right now.
The queen came to see you. Why is she asking of you?
Same reasons, Mama. Same reasons. And that is why you need to tell me my connection to the king. Mama, please, I don't want her to know about something I do not know about at the end of the day.
Because I've never begged you before. Stay away from the queen. You have to stay away from the palace. It's an evil place. Eh? It feeds on great men. Please.
Mama, I've always kept to your promise. But please, you need to trust me with this information. Tell me my connection to the palace. That is all I asked for. For how long will you keep this, Mama? Eh?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Mama, you're okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, it's because of the drugs I'm giving you. That's why I'm giving you. It's more.
I've taken enough. I'm okay.
It seems there is trouble.
He has gone in search of the hunter that got me pregnant.
But you and I know that such character does not exist. How long are you going to let the rest of the world and Sabu to know that I'm his first father?
That will cost us chances of having the crown. And I'm not ready to lose it.
And I cannot allow your quest for the throne cost me the life of my son. We need to do something.
Now you better keep quiet and allow me to think.
How bad is it?
Very bad. You know, your blood group is rare. That's why it's difficult for us to get a match.
So tell me, Mother, will I die? Should I say my last wish?
No! Why would you say a thing like that? I will not allow such to happen, I promise. Sado, did you know the girl you brought to the palace has been the one killing you slowly? If I get my hands on her, she will regret it for the rest of her life. What?
Mother, please. Do not harm her, please. Mother, I should be responsible for anything she has done bad. Please. I have wronged her so much. Mother, I raped her. I raped her and I forced myself on her countless time. Please, do not harm her. Mother, promise me, please. Promise me.
You better keep quiet. This one is bigger than you. Do you even realize that this particular girl might be working for somebody and I need to get my hands on the person that is backing her up because it could be my enemy? Who knows that you are my weakness and that's the reason they want to kill you for me. I would never allow that to happen. I would deal with her unless I didn't set my eyes on her.
If killing me will make her forgive me, then let her will be done. I love her so much.
Hey! Now you better keep quiet, Saddle, and stop talking rubbish.
Have you heard the latest?
Which latest? What is happening?
The queen is searching everywhere for Samira.
What? Why? What did she do?
Do you know that she has been killing the queens with her specialty?
This is big news. So this girl is actually on a mission. I told you that she was up to something. But I didn't know that she's capable of taking someone's life. Do you think the prince did something despicable to her that she came to revenge?
Who has Prince Sado not done things to? That girl is pure evil. What saddens me the most is the fact that the prince is still confessing his love for her. Maybe she added love charming the apps she has been given to him.
The queen must be very angry and disappointed by now. Very angry. But I know that she won't go away with it. Omamune, she can't. She will not. They will surely kill her. Hey? Samira, only her lineage.
Mama, give me a sec. What is it? Eh? You want to drink water? Chalu.
Come.
What, Mama, I'm coming. Please hold on.
Come. Oh, my son.
Hey, Mama.
Listen to me. Listen. You have to go to the palace.
Mama, please. I hope this is not your last wish. People, please don't leave me.
You have
Take
to
water.
go to the palace. When you get there, meet the king. Give him these words. Fate says now.
Mama, please, just take this water. What are you talking about? I should go to the palace? The palace you prevented me from going or talking about? Please, people, please take this water. You will be fine.
Listen to me, my son. We have no time.
Hey.
You must go to the palace.
Mama, please. Biko.
You can't
leave me now.
You can trust the king with your life. But only you can protect yourself. But remember these words. They are your password. Faith says now.
I know, but please. Mama!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Say whatever you want to say and say it quickly.
I worry about the king's health, Your Majesty. He has not been taking the herbs you make me prepare for him. He has been wasting it. So I wanted to tell you because I know how concerned you are about the king.
For how long has he been wasting it?
I just discovered a few days ago. I was scared to speak up, but I fear the king might die if he doesn't take his medicine. So I summoned the courage to tell you my queen.
Thank you. You've done well by telling me. Now here's what I want you to do for me. I need you to keep an eye on the king. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now when the physician comes, listen to what he's telling the king. Check what he's giving the king. Report back to me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The king must be protected at all costs. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do as you've commanded. Excuse me, Your Majesty.
Is winning. The enemy is winning. They have vowed to kill and destroy anything that blocks their way.
Greetings, Your Majesty. My mother sent me to you. She says when I come, I should give you the password. Fate says now.
Donell! Is this you? How is your mother? Did you left her alone in the house?
Your Majesty, my mother is dead.
No!
She died yesterday. I only came to carry out her last wish.
Oh no, Pat! You shall be greatly missed. I've lost someone who is more than a friend, a close confidant, a trusted ally. It's going to be a lonely journey for me.
Your Majesty, I need to take my leave now. I need to go and lay my mother to rest. Immediately.
You are a good son. I will assign some of my guards to go with you. Whatever you need to give her a befitting burial, I shall accord you with that.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you so much. My mother told me I should trust you. And that is what I will do.
Oh yes, I guarantee your safety. And no harm shall come near you. This is your home. You belong here.
Thank you, Your Majesty. May I take my leave now? Thank you.
Nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent in this world.
Your Majesty, you cannot name a stranger your heir. But Sado is suited for this position, considering he is an adopted son. The young man you are talking about, Your Majesty, does not even bear your name. Talk of having your blood flowing through him.
Your Majesty, you hate me so much to the extent of you waging war against me. Come on, Your Majesty, this is not about you knowing what's best for the kingdom. This is you making sure I do not get what I want.
I am not doing this to have you punished for the evil you have done against me. I am more concerned about getting a befitting ruler who can rule this kingdom. And that person is done.
Your Majesty, you are getting it all wrong. The young man you are talking about is a stranger. I am the kingmaker, and I'm going to crown who I believe is in line with tradition.
I am the king. Do you think I will do anything that is outside tradition? Something like crown an heir who does not share my bloodline?
Hold on, Your Majesty. Are you saying that Donell is your son?
We really need to prove to him that Donell is a stranger to him. Believe me, the king is very, very desperate and he's ready to win at all costs, even if it means him playing dirty.
Have you considered that the king may be telling the truth?
What truth are you talking about? The saddle doesn't befit the throne, is that it?
That Donell may not be a stranger to him. Your henchman said that the king used to visit the boy's mother before she died. Who knows if they were having an affair? And the evidence of that affair is Donell. Anything can be possible.
That's not possible, excuse you. I was told that the woman in question was his best friend's wife. Believe me, the king cannot stoop so low as into sleep with his best friend's wife. Don't even think about that.
The king is a man that blood flows through his veins. Like we know that the queen is married to the king, but I still have an affair with the queen. Anything is possible, Your Majesty.
Sado, calm down. Are you just going to stand there looking, physician? Do something, please.
My queen, my hands are tied.
How?
We are yet to get a blood donor to commence the treatment. And if his father is around and he knows his whereabouts, please get in touch with him. This is time for him to come out and save his son.
Oh, please, keep quiet. What are you talking about? Okay, let's assume his father is dead. Are we going to watch Sado, my son, to die as well?
If he is alive, we won't hope for the worst. When we can achieve the best, he's not looking around. My queen, please help me so that I'll be able to help you to save the life of your son.
All right, I've heard you. I'll try and go in search of him. But please, make sure you do something, okay? Please, you set up treatment. What will I say? Will I say you're completely useless now? What is all this? Make sure you get yourself ready to start treating him. Calm down, Sado. Sado, please. Sado, I don't know how to pray. I would have prayed for you. Sado, please. Sado.
Samira, you don't need to run around again, okay? As you can see, I am now powerful. I will protect you against the queen and the prince.
You should protect yourself. You stepped into the lion's den. Donell, I fear for you. I saw how princes were snatched out one after the other and no one could do anything to save them. No one.
I know where I stepped my feet into. I know who is after me. You know, Mother kept this secret for a long time. A very long time. She's only afraid of the day I'm going to face my fear. And she advised me to do what? Survive. That's what I intend to do. Survive.
You are strong, Donell. Strong and brave. But I don't want to be your weakness. They may use me as a bait to get you to drop your guard and then kill you in the process.
Hey.
I don't want such thing for you.
Come on. You don't need to fight this alone, okay? We can fight it together. Can you trust me?
Can you stay safe?
Trust me.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain.
Permit me to serve you myself.
Oh.
I was thinking you would hesitate.
Why? I mean, really that being rude, rejecting the Royal Majesty's congratulatory drink.
Don't play dumb with me. I am certain your father must have told you that I'm the enemy you should be aware of. Did you not think I might have poisoned your cup of wine?
Poison? Poison? This doesn't look like a poisoned drink. Well, I think I know you. I know your style. I know you don't like to kill in the open where people can see and where witnesses can be littered everywhere.
Very funny. Honestly speaking, it's preposterous. Come on. On a normal circumstance, believe me, I should have lied to you. Ask me why. That's because you were brave. Well, both of us are brave. We are smart. We think alike. I mean, that should have made me to like you. Well, risking it to win in the end.
Your Majesty, I want to bring to your notice that the most dangerous opponent you can ever fight is a man without witness. A man that has absolutely nothing to lose.
You have a lot to lose, Sugar, trust me. I know you don't care much about your life, but trust me. I know there's someone or something you care so much about. It won't be too long, I assure you. I will lay my hands on them.
Your Majesty, do not underestimate the power and strength of a weak man, because he can make use of it in desperate times. If you touch his tails, he might unleash his dragon and crush the enemy.
Look at you, seated before me, acting up. And I'm wondering, is it not this one who is raised as a pauper? Yet, you act as if you were the prince. You act like someone who has a royal blood in you.
No one can stop what the Lord has written.
What really are you?
Nobody can stop destiny.
Your Majesty,
You can fight,
why are you torturing me?
but you will not survive.
Why is it difficult for you to give me what I want? Why?
The question here is, how far would you go to usurp power? How far are you willing to kill to get the crown?
Hold on, Your Majesty, hold on. Hold on. Are you suspecting me? Are you suspecting that I killed your sons? Me?
I see that speaking with Donell triggers something in you. Does he remind you of your young, ambitious self?
Donell? Who is he? Physician.
Yes.
That's Sad's father. Do whatever thing you have to do. And do it very fast.
Let's go.
Now you listen. I'm sure you know him too well, right? Good. Whatever was done here stays here. If I head out, of course you know you will lose your life. I'm not kidding. Start. Start immediately. Just quiet, please. My son's life.
So you are Sado's father. You've been working with the queen to give him the crown, old friend. You stabbed me at my back.
Physician, how did he get to this place?
How will I know when I was brought here blindfolded? How?
Your Majesty, my affair with Queen has been even before you married her. Sado is the evidence. As a good friend, I'm sorry I did not tell you. I'm so sorry.
So you've been the cause of all the calamities happening in the royal home?
No, Your Majesty. I only had a son with the queen. Any other thing I don't know.
Shut up.
You dare reduce my golden boy to a vegetable just because he took your worthless virginity. That's the reason you wanted to kill him, right?
You're a woman, just like me. But you speak like a monster. No woman deserves to be raped or violated. I wish you had a daughter. And I pray she experiences the same fate as mine, or even worse, from monstrous men like your son. That's my prayer for you.
You have no right whatsoever to lay a curse on me with your filthy mouth. Look at this nitwit. You think I don't know who you're covering? You are covering somebody you feel is important, he's powerful, isn't it? Donell. Oh! You knew he was going to become a king. That's the reason you came into the palace. Boom! You attacked my son. Because you know too well, he's Donell's opposition. Useless thing.
You give me so much credit, Your Majesty. I am not even that important. But you place me so high. I know nothing about Donell becoming the future king of this kingdom, or his ties with this palace. I know nothing about them all. I am only a girl who embarked on a journey to take down a monster who violated her.
Now you listen to me. I haven't come here for us to banter words. I'm just gonna tell you this and you will do it immediately. Now you are going to rewrite that Donell is the one who gave you the instruction to poison my son. And you are going to do exactly. He is the brain behind you trying to kill my son. That's what you're going to do. And you will do it now.
I will do no such thing.
Really?
Yes. And you can't make me do it.
Oh.
Donell is innocent. He has nothing to do with this.
Now watch me break you. What are you waiting for? Beat her till she confesses.
No, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, Samira is missing. And we all know who is behind it. Her Majesty is so ruthless.
Yes, we know. But we do not have the information as regards to her whereabouts. Maybe this may be the opportunity to end this now.
Please help me bring her down. Please. We cannot sit here looking at her committing atrocities against humanity. Justice is best served cold.
Donell, my son, what an old man sees while seated, the young man might climb a rock tree as soon. Taking any bold step now will endanger your life. Oh yes, because she has not made any move against you. Or maybe because I've not signed and sealed the document pronouncing you as the heir and the next king. Or are you ready to bet your life to save her?
Your Majesty, I am ready to do anything within my powers to save Samira. I will do that. I am going to end the reign of terror of Her Royal Majesty. I will do that and stop this madness once and for all.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
My chiefs.
Your Highness.
The matter at hand cannot further be delayed. This is a document sealed and written the name of Donell as the heir apparent to the throne.
Your Majesty, that cannot be possible, and you know that too well. He is a total stranger and has no right whatsoever to be your name. After all of us here are aware that you did not adopt this man to be your son.
I cannot adopt him when truly he is my son. Oh yes! Donell Agbata is my son. Overall first son.
Oh, no way! Stop it already! With all due respect, Your Majesty, stop it! You are way too big for this! Now what is all this? How can you be lying like this? I repeat! This gold digger cannot be your son, and I will not condone it. You're stripped of one man who is supposed to oppose your tyranny. Unappointed, a pauper who will gladly dance to your obedience without even asking questions.
Watch your tone.
I beg your pardon.
Your Majesty. I will not be insulted here. Let me make it clear to you that very soon our king will invite his mother into this palace to come and testify that he's really the son of our king. After all, they said that it's only the woman knows who got her pregnant. You've spoken well, no.
Oh, please keep quiet. Which spoken well or no? This is preposterous. Can you hear yourself? A woman who is dead, buried, long forgotten.
Oh, keep it there.
Hold on.
The
Your
mother
Majesty.
is alive.
Oh, maybe you're gonna work around.
Sound and healthy. She'll come to prove it here that indeed Donell is my first son. Oh yes, the first son of this family.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain, you are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the gods.
Your boldness intrigues me. Well, both of us are far from the palace. Now tell me what stops me from giving my headsman instruction to squeeze life out of you.
Well, if you want to do that, you will have done that a long time ago. But we both know that it's not your style of killing. You do not kill without a reason. There is absolutely something you are looking from me. Something that will be beneficial to you. We know that.
That's it. You never cease to impress me. You never cease. Believe me. Why do we look alike? Let me tell you something. Do you know there was a day the king asked me, is there nothing you see in this young man that reminds you of your young self? Now I see it clearly. Your quest of looking for something and getting that thing is where we have something in common. Wow.
Does it make you feel good to think I am like you? I can never be like you, Your Majesty. I'm sorry about that. But you are a beast. A monster.
Ah.
Your humanity is dead.
I know.
Died on arrival. I want you to release Samira. She has done nothing to you. Whatever that girl has done to your son, he deserves it and more. Right? Release that girl. See, let me tell you something. You cannot punish a woman that is fighting for her freedom. No.
Are you done preaching? All right. So what are you going to give me in return for her freedom?
I said it. I said there must be something you were looking for. All right. What do you want?
Everything. I want you to denounce the crown as soon as you're being crowned the king. Tell them you don't need it. Hand it over to Sado, my son.
With all due respect to Your Majesty, if you weren't the queen of this land, I would have said you are a commoner or someone that is not really attached to no rules and tradition of the land. You and I know that this is not possible. I do not have such right and authority to carry such orders.
You do. Of course you do.
How?
All you need is just stamp, the king's stamp, and seal. That's all. Give your instruction and everything follows suit. Simple.
Well, if that is all that is needed, then why does the king need my mother to testify before I become the crown prince of this land? Tradition will always act as checks and balance before the king's seal and stamp. You can see, I do not have what you are looking for.
Royalties don't talk too much. You are still learning. Prepare for her burial, that is, if you see her comes.
You need something from me. Don't do something stupid. Is this a setup? You want to kill me? Do you need to bring me to a private place before you do that? Huh? See, I know you serve the queen. You are very, very loyal to her. I shouldn't have done this in the first place, following you to this place. Like she will always say, that I can do anything, just anything to risk my life and save the one I love. Am I this stupidly brave?
My prince, if you knew all of this, then why did you pay for my mother's treatment? Yes, you did your best to hide your identity. Somehow I found out. So why would you do something good for a man whose hands are stained with blood?
See, your hands stained with blood doesn't have anything to do with me. with my kind gesture. I realized the hospital expenses was so much for you. I had to come in. I have to save her. You know, I used to have a mother. She's late now. I knew the pain she passed through before she died. I didn't show my kind gesture because you have blood stains all over you. I have conscience. She's a mother. I used to have one.
My prince, that is why I will be forever indebted to you. I want to serve you and the king and join forces with you to bring down the queen. The savage queen has spilled so much blood. We have to end this now. You need to hurry and save your friend. She will be here soon. Yes, just...
Samira! Samira! What? Samira? You okay?
What do we have here? Now relax, relax, lover boy. How did you find this place? Ah, it doesn't matter. You made it easier for me to kill both of you. What are you waiting for? No! Hey, who? Hold on, please. What is this? Wait. Please, do not wait. No, now, hold on. I have seen this mark somewhere. Hold on, please. Very long time ago. No. It can't be. It can't be him!
You almost killed him. The evil in you will not allow you to recognize your own blood.
My love, please be patient with me. My father has threatened to haunt you and the baby if I didn't get married to Princess of the Chalo Kingdom.
Then what is going to happen to me? Am I just going to be remembered as the maid you got pregnant and discarded her?
No. I mean, you mean more than that to me. No. You are my first love and my last love. Getting married to the princess is a duty. Please, no, just stay at the house I prepared for you. Just have the baby there. I promise to take care of you and the baby.
My prince, I can't. I can't live like a prisoner. I deserve more. I deserve better.
And I will give you more. Just be patient with me until I become the king. I promise I will give you and our baby the respect you both deserve. Just wait and see. Okay? Just come.
My prince, I can't.
Please.
I can't do this. I can't live this way.
friend, please, I need your help. This is my first seed and cannot be abandoned. I mean, if I take him to the palace with me, my father will see this as my biggest failure and disappointment. I want your wife to help me raise him as your son. Show him love and care. No one, not even him, should know that I am his father. He must live like a commoner. That is the only way he will be safe.
Your Highness, are you sure? Cutting ties with your flesh and blood will not be that easy.
Knowing fully well that my child is in the hands of my friend and most trusted people is the only way I will be focused on duty. Please love him and raise him to be a strong and reliable man. I may need him one day, but not without your consent. This is a request from a friend to another, not a command from a royal prince.
You can always count on us. I will take good care of him as my son. If anybody asks me when my wife took in, I know what to tell them.
Thank you very much. I trust you.
You don't have my son? Is it possible? Precious Jesus. Hey! No, God! No, this is not true! This is the child we had! When I was a maid in the palace and you were still a prince then. The child I threw away a long time ago because I couldn't take care of him. Donell. Now I see. So this is the reason we act alike. We behave alike. The same mannerism. Now don't do it. No, not God. Jesus. Help me, Lord. Jesus.
You? My mother?
I know you are an ambitious fellow and I can do anything funny at any time. That was why I bet someone to follow you around. Yet you fall into the trap and cannot recognize your own blood.
And you wicked, your majesty. Look at my son. You wanted me to kill my son just like a total stranger. How could you gamble with the life of my son like that? Donell, let me touch you, please. Jesus.
Hello, DPO. Please come in with your boys. Yes. Son, I bless you as a father and also as a king. It shall be well with both of you. He said, the sun shall not smite you by the day, nor the moon by the night. Everything both of you lay your hands into shall prosper. He said, at this juncture, we need to start planning for a royal wedding. Samira shall be crowned the princess and the next queen of this kingdom. It is not easy to see a selfless woman who is ready to sacrifice her life for the man she loves. You are very lucky to find a lady in that capacity.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Thank you so much for your kind words. I promise not to disappoint. Thank you.
So, was I too harsh to punish your pet mother? Or you think I should have been lenient?
Your Majesty, your words remain supreme. The judgment is final. What she did deserves death, but in your mercy you allow her to go freely with her life. That alone I appreciate. So like I said earlier, your judgment is supreme.
Thanks for your understanding.
Tomorrow.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my Majesty.
Greetings.
More, thank you. Prince Steve asked me to deliver this to you.
Prince Steve?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Collect it.
Steve is alive?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Steve?
Yes, Your Majesty. I was the one the Queen commanded to kill him. Prince Steve saved my life a long time ago from an angry mob when I went to steal bread for my little sister. If it wasn't for him, I would be dead. So when the former kingmaker employed me to serve the Queen and Prince Steve was our target, I decided to repay the debt, one life for another. I faked his death and exploded his car for witnesses to see. So while everyone was busy thinking that Prince Steve was dead, I helped him escape the kingdom and out of the country. Your Majesty, sorry for keeping this secret away from you, but Prince Steve asked me not to tell anyone. Punish me if you must.
No, I will not punish you because of your good heart. Ordinarily, I should have bring in the police to hand you over to them. Next time, refrain violence.
Yes, Your Majesty.
We need to talk. Yes, talk.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. I appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know